This is one of the first country songs I learnt about 15 years ago. Used to watch George Moody do this, and everybody else. Lee's going to stay on that lovely acoustic guitar for this song. John Prine wrote this. Come on late and you come on early. You come on big when you're feeling small. You come on straight and you come on curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. What in the world has come over you? What in the heavens name have you done? You're rocking the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Slim Pickens on the steel guitar. I got a worried and jealous mind. How can a love that's gonna last forever get left so far behind? Sing, friends. So what in the world has come over you? What in the heaven's name have you done? To the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Go on, Lee. Dreadful sorrow, you cross an evil line today. How can you ask about tomorrow? We ain't got one word to say. You sing. So what in the world has come over you? What in the heaven's name have you done? You're rocking the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're rocking the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Oh, you're rocking the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run.